Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minute. Today was really about gold. Big move in gold, big technicals happening. But let's start off with the stocks. Let's get to it here. Now, the S&P, NASDAQ, everything's coming in just a little bit. Is that okay? Yeah, of course it is. We've had a big move, not only this week, but a big move off the lows from last week. 4186, 4183, that's still a big area for us. The market is battling here as I'm talking. We're about to head into the last 30 minutes. And where it settles today is somewhat of a big deal, not for the bigger trend, but the near term. We stay above 41.86 on a closing basis. I do believe that we can rebound very quickly through the next day or two and be at record highs potentially by the end of the week. Now, if we close below 41.83, 41.86, that could mean we're going to consolidate a little bit more, and you have a lot of support down at 41.52, 41.57, a big area down there, and that's all that means. Consolidations is okay. We digest gains. Last week's move was a very powerful move, and really that tailwind is there unless we start closing below 41.50 or 41.42 even the low Sunday night. But keep an eye on all this. The NASDAQ, not so bad. NASDAQ has had a bigger move than the S&P, and it's consolidating. It's really near unchanged. A lot of good names out there. Seen some of the travel names come in a bit here, from the early start. A lot of the semiconductors were up higher overnight, Micron being one, turned sharply lower. So a lot of just mixed bag here today. Really what happens, settlement, and then how do we look tomorrow? Now, crude very similarly. Crude roared higher. We bought crude late last week. We said take some profits here. It's holding ground, $66, but you have a lot of resistance overhead, 66.5 area, and it's just not going to get through there in one day. So we're consolidating, digesting gains. And then, what we're really here to talk about today is the massive move we've had in gold and silver. Really tremendous move. It broke out. Gold broke out of the wedge. We've been looking at this being a breakout. 1894 has been major three-star resistance. Big retracement area on the entire move from August highs. And now we're breaking out above there. August gold, 1900. We're seeing that happen right now. And the miners, GDX, is still trying to break out that wedge, still in the wedge. Silver really is breaking out that wedge too. So you got silver. You got a nice long trend line from the March low. You have the trend line here from the recent highs over the past couple of weeks, and we're moving through that. We like what we're seeing here. This is game on for the metals. The dollar is weaker. The treasuries prices are holding really strong. And then we talked about the Morning Express, the Chinese yuan. The Chinese yuan is breaking out from a 2013 trend line. This means the Chinese yuan against the dollar is going to become more valuable. And what does that mean? It means the Chinese yuan can purchase more metals. Yeah, China's talking down base metals. They're talking about the froth, the excessive trading. Listen, they want prices lower so they can buy more. I'll leave you with that. Give us a call if you want to talk about anything. The trade desk is here, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.